Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So let me introduce myself. My name is Nuriyana Amila Putri and my NPM is 2441127. So now I want to explain about the role of operational risk management in improving company performance. So let's watch it. Definition of operational risk management. Operational risk management is the process of identifying, analyzing, evaluating, and controlling various risks that arise in a company's operational activities. Operational risk refers to risks resulting from inadequate or failed internal processes, human errors, system and technology failures, or external factors that may affect the smooth operation of the company. In conducting business activities, every company faces various potential risks that may hinder the achievement of its objectives. For example, errors in production processes, equipment breakdowns, information system disruption, or a lack of coordination among employees. If these risks are not managed properly, the company may experience financial losses, decreased productivity, and disruptions to the quality of its products or services. Definition of company performance. Company performance is the level of success achieved by a company in carrying out its business activities to achieve its predetermined goals and objectives. It reflects the company's ability to manage its resources such as human resources, capital, technology, and raw materials in order to produce optimal results. Company performance can be measured through various indicators, including productivity levels, operational efficiency, product or service quality, customer satisfaction, and the profits earned by the company. The better the management of resources and business processes, the better the company's performance will be. Good company performance indicates that operational activities are carried effectively and efficiently. Relationship between operational risk management and company performance. Operational risk management has a very close relationship with company performance because risks that occur in operational activities can affect productivity, efficiency, and the achievement of organizational goals. Research as human errors, equipment failure, technology system disruptions, or ineffective work processes can lead to delays, increased operational costs, and a decline in the quality of products or services. Through the implementation of operational risk management, companies can identify potential problems at an early stage and take appropriate measures to prevent or reduce their impact. As a result, operational activities can run more smoothly, resources can be used more efficiently, and disruptions to business processes can be minimized. Type of operational risk. Several types of operational risk commonly faced by companies include human error risk, system and technology failure risk, ineffective work process risk, data and information security risk, supply chain disruption risk, external factor risk. Operational risk management stages. The first stage is risk identification, which involves recognizing various risks that may arise in the company's operational activities. This is followed by risk analysis, where the causes, likelihood of occurrence, and potential impact of the identified risks are assessed. Next, the company conducts a risk evaluation to determine the level of risk and establish priorities for handling it. The next stage is risk control or mitigation, which involves developing and implementing strategies to reduce the likelihood of a risk occurring or to minimize their impact. The final stage is continuous monitoring and evaluation, which involves regularly monitoring risks and assessing the effectiveness of the measures that have been implemented. Operational risk identification. Operational risk identification is the initial stage of a risk management that aims to recognize various potential risks that may disrupt a company's operational activities. This process is important because it enables the company to identify sources of a risk and take preventive measures because those risks result in losses. Operational risk can arise from various factors such as human errors, technology system failures, equipment breakdowns, ineffective work processes, inadequate supervision, and external factors such as natural disasters or environmental disturbances. Each identified risk should be documented and analyzed to determine its likelihood of occurrence and its potential impact on the company. Operational risk control strategies. Operational risk control strategies are measures taken by a company to reduce the likelihood of a risk occurring and to minimize their potential impact. Risk control is essential to ensure that operational activities run smoothly and do not interfere with the achievement of the company's objectives. Several strategies can be implemented, including developing clear and standardized work procedures, improving supervision of operational processes, providing training for employees, and conducting regular maintenance of equipment and technology systems. In addition, companies can implement strong data security systems and develop contingency plans to respond effectively to unexpected situations. The role of human resources and technology in operational risk management. Human resources, HR, and technology play a crucial role in the implementation of operational risk management. Competent employees who are aware of potential risks can help companies identify problems, follow work procedures properly, and reduce the likelihood of errors in operational activities. Therefore, companies need to provide regular training, development programs, and supervision to ensure that employees can perform their duties effectively and in accordance with established standards. On the other hand, technology helps companies improve operational efficiency and effectiveness through the automation of work processes, more accurate data management, and faster integrated monitoring systems. The use of technology can also reduce human errors, enhance information security, and assist companies in detecting potential operational disruptions at an early stage. Conclusion: operational risk management is an important process in maintaining smooth business operations and improving organizational performance. Through proper risk identification, analysis, and control, companies can reduce operational disruptions and minimize potential losses. In addition, the support of competent human resources and the effective use of technology can enhance the effectiveness of risk management. By implementing sound operational risk management practices, companies can improve productivity, efficiency, and competitiveness, enabling them to achieve their objectives more effectively and optimally. So that's it. Thank you so much and bye bye.